Hi guys, I'm here and I'm back with another airdrop. This is multiply.fi. So this is a staking platform which democratizes yield on native, stable, and real world tokenized assets. Multiply is also backed by Pantera Capital, Elif Cap, Sequoia, and the Spartan Group. So these are also big ventures or investors. And right now, Multiply has only 13,000 followers on Twitter. That means that only few people know about Multiply. So, guys, if you want to know more about Multiply, you can follow their Twitter account to get updates on the progress of the project, or go to their website and learn more about Multiply. But today I'll show you how to join with the testnet. This is just easy, guys. The tasks are very simple. Just claim free testnet tokens on the faucet, and we're going to stake that testnet tokens as well. So let's go. For a smoother process, I'm gonna open the testnet site on my MetaMask wallet para mabilis ma-connect yung wallet address ko. So, let's use MetaMask. But if you don't have MetaMask, guys, you can also use Trust Wallet, or if you have your own laptop or computer, you can do the testnet there para mas mabilis lang din. And for everyone who doesn't know about testnet yet, this is not the real tokens that we're going to claim or stake, but this is just to test the features of the project, and if there are some bugs, the team can fix them. And from here, we have to use Sepolia testnet. So let's uh, switch to this network now. And guys, let's go back here. So let's go to the browser view and I search icon, and let's paste the link here. Ayan. Saglit lang to, guys. This will take us 10 minutes of our time. Okay, wait lang natin. Yan, testnet.multiply.fi. Make sure to use the correct or real website. Yan, ito yan. Testnet.multiply.fi, kasi there are so many scammers out there, so many phishing links, and so you have to be very careful sa mga links na ginagamit nyo sa pag-connect ng wallet nyo. And from here, okay, wait. Ayan, guys. Let's connect wallet and choose MetaMask if you're using MetaMask as well. And we have to use Sepolia testnet. This one. No. Sepolia. Yeah. Then update. Connect. Ito lang dapat. Sepolia lang dapat. Ayan. Wait lang, guys. Medyo magulo kasi dito sa MetaMask. Tapos, ang isa pa sa ayaw ko dito sa kanya kasi napaka-bagal niya. Mabagal talaga siya. And after you've switched the network, click on sign message. And sign. And click on sign. Ayan, guys, so here we're going to claim the 100 USDC for free. So let's click on this button. And of course, we're going to stake it. Just click on this one, the drop down arrow, just choose Sepolia testnet. Okay. And guys, so click on max. Ayan, naka-automatic na siya, max. And click on confirm. So USDC will be available for reclaim 7 days after unstaking. So if you want to unstake your free USDC testnet tokens, you can unclaim it after 7 days. So let's confirm. Ayan guys, increase your TORB. So daily we're going to earn 10 TORBs daily just by staking our tokens. But of course, if you want to unstake it, you won't be able to earn Torbs tokens. And here you can also refer your friends and you'll earn additional 10% of your referees lifetime Torbs. So if you have a lot of friends who want to join the testnet, since napaka-easy lang naman yung task niya guys at hindi naman complicated, you can invite them, send your referral links to them, and you'll earn additional tokens or additional Torbs. And yeah, if you guys have question about this testnet, if you're struggling with the testnet, you can comment down below and I help you. Also, if you want more free crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorials, please subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!